Mistake number 5, which is again most of us do, and I was of course no exception. I was a part of every community, every Facebook place, every WhatsApp group, Telegram group, and whatnot. That actually overwhelmed me, and I was not focusing on the content which I must or which I should have focused on. Now, as Priya has said already in her video, that we have to have a simple horse blinder
To kind of have like horse blinders and be like, okay, this is what I'm doing, and I'm not going to see beyond that.
that if we need to focus on this, then we must focus on that. We should not have any sort of a FOMO that we are missing out on some important topic of the world. There should not be any such attitude, guys. It is very, very simple. If you should know what is present tense, what is passive composite, what is imperfect, and you know that, then you don't really have to watch another tons of videos on those particular topic which you already know. You should not be really seeking that what information I'm missing on this group, that community, or I must be part of those hundreds of communities. You don't need all of that. Sometimes over resources makes us overwhelmed, and we end up really losing the aim, the goal. What is important here is to just stay focused. Now, if you know your TEF Canada exam pattern, you should work on section A, section B, speaking, because that's going to be the monster for you. If you're taking TCF Canada exam, the monologue is something going to be monster for you, and task 2, where you have to practice a dialogue, is something that you need to understand that how I'm going to ask the questions. So if you handle these things well, trust me guys, it's going to be a very fruitful journey. And as a complete beginner, if you avoid these mistakes, you will be clearing the TEF and TCF Canada exam at one go without taking multiple attempts. Hope this was helpful. Follow for more, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment if you think there is anything else that you should avoid and I must have missed to mention in my video. Thank you for watching.